Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. 3 o'clock p.m. on a Sunday afternoon, the 15th of January 2023. Look at a fast-moving CN freight. Here at Dorval Station. I'm in the parking lot, not too far from the end, near the ramps. Oh, I thought I saw Family Lines there. I have to check that. Fairly fresh snow. About -5 degrees with no wind today and lots of nice sunshine. So I figured I'd do a little bit of train spotting before I went to the Dorval shopping center there to do some shopping. And this is a good place to be. That's the end of the train right there. As you can see, piles of snow. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.